Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you how to manage subscriptions in PayPal accounts. It is extremely easy. Guys, from this home menu where you have your wallets and stuff, click on the gear icon and go into your settings. After that, after going into your settings, you need to go to your payments. Alright, so in the payments, you need to click on automatic payments. And guys, as you can see, right now, in my case, I am not subscribed to any of these available services in here because this is just a dummy account to record for you a tutorial. But for example, if you're subscribed to Spotify, you can easily unsubscribe and manage your subscriptions here. So for example, let's say you've subscribed to Spotify by using your PayPal and you want to cancel your subscription, right? So you will have your Spotify until the end of your current billing period. You just go to Spotify, it's going to be somewhere here in this section. You just click on cancel the recurring payments and your funds from your PayPal account will not be withdrawn anymore for the next month. And your Spotify, well, it's just an example, or Spotify or Google Play, anything else, your subscription will now be cancelled. So this is how you manage subscriptions in your PayPal account. Very easy. Press like on the video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if it helped. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to not miss our new uploads. And thanks for watching.